I'm exercise physiologist and nutritionist Cristy Code Red, and today we're talking about cereal. I'm gonna hit you with a few facts about cereal, and some things are gonna be pretty shocking to hear. I have them sorted into typical high sugar cereal, Lucky Charms, your Cookie Crisp, Fruit Loops, and Apple Jacks. These are the cereals you'll see listed here that people tell me they think are healthy cereals. But would you believe me if I told you that the cereals on that side, the ones that people consider are healthy and good for you, have just as much sugar and carbs in them as these? It's pretty shocking. Let's talk about what your average cereal bowl looks like. There's a huge discrepancy there between what the box says and what the average person pours up in the bowl every morning when they eat their cereal. And to do this demonstration, I'm going to choose the one cereal of the bunch that is the highest in the sugar and carbs. Which one do you think it would be? The truth is, the one cereal that is the worst of all of these, Raisin Bran. Yeah, pretty shocking, isn't it? This cereal has more than double the sugar and carbs in one serving size. We're going to use the Raisin Bran cereal to do our demonstration, and we're going to pour up an average bowl versus a bowl the box says you should use. We have our two bowls. One's going to be what the box says the serving size should be, and one's going to be what the average person is going to typically pour for themselves for one bowl. And by the way, most people go back for two bowls. We're going to start off with the first bowl, what the box says. The box says the serving size should be 1 cup. So we have our 1 cup measurement. Let's pour up 1 cup. Okay. 1 cup. Eyeballing it, what we think the average person. I used to eat cereal, so I know. All right, we have our bigger measuring cup here. We're gonna measure it in here and find out how much it is. I think you can see that here, 2 cups. All right, so it looks like we got double the amount that the box says we should have. Now, we have our milk. We're gonna pour up 1 cup of milk. That's what a serving size is. So we have 2 cups of cereal and 1.5 cups of milk versus 1 cup of cereal and 1 cup of milk that the box says we should have. If you're wondering how many carbs and sugar each cereal has in it, let's look at it. The Kashi Go Lean, you're getting about 78 grams of carbs and 26 grams of sugar in 1 bowl, and that's if you have 1 bowl. The granola cereal, I get people that tell me, well, at least I'm eating healthy granola for breakfast. Not the case. 70 grams of carbs and 20 grams of sugar in 1 bowl of granola cereal. Same thing with the Life cereal. If you look at the total, the Special K and the Corn Flakes, you're getting 45 grams of carbs and 20 grams of sugar in each one. And then all 4 of these boxes are the same. You're getting 50 grams of carbs, 20 grams of sugar, in 1 bowl, and all the serving sizes for each one of these is 3/4 of a cup. So again, I know I sound like a broken record, but the average person doubles that, and they go back for a second bowl more times than not, especially if you have some leftover milk, right? Starting your day off with cereal or letting your family start their day off with cereal is not a good idea. You are setting yourself and them up for a big crash. What's gonna happen is they're gonna get hungry and irritable in about an hour, and they're gonna wonder, and you're gonna wonder why you're so hungry and so tired. Instead, I would recommend eggs and bacon. To me, that's the perfect breakfast. You could have 2 eggs and 5 pieces of bacon. That'd be about 350 calories, less than 3 grams of carbs, 0 sugar, lots of fat, 65% fat, which is a good thing, lots of protein. Now you've got a breakfast that is sticking to your ribs, that's nice and hearty, and you won't get hungry later on. That's a good breakfast. For more Code Red quick tips, follow me online or visit me at CristyCodeRed.com.